Safety Technology International. Rely on STI. The stopper station 3-in-1 push button can be changed to any of 3 functions. Tools you will need are a Phillips screwdriver, needle nose pliers, or tweezers. First, we will change the button function from momentary to key to reset. Flip button over and remove the 2 screws. Remove the switch assembly and pull the button away from the backplate. Remove stop pin, let reset ring rotate, and place the stop pin in the right hole. Flip the button over and test the key to reset function. Now we will change the button function from momentary to turn to reset. Remove stop pin, let reset ring rotate, and place the stop pin in the left hole. Then remove the wedge block. Apply the reset label and test the turn to reset function. Now we need to reassemble the stopper station 3-in-1 button. Thread the wires through the backplate. Align button notches to backplate holes. Flip over and reattach switch assembly with the 2 screws. Your stopper station 3-in-1 push button is now ready for use.